A villa in Ciudad Quesada with private pool, nice landscape gardens, and very close to all amenities just for 459,000. Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Nadia, and in today's video we're gonna show you a beautiful villa in wonderful conditions in Ciudad Quesada. This is close to all amenities, it's in a top location, and not only location is key, but the insides here are wonderful. We have a private plot, it's totally independent, and let's start the tour by this beautiful entrance. Take a look what we have. On my right side we have the private parking, which is covered. And now I want to show you inside. This has even a very nice hall. Walk in here and we already see our private pool. But here is the main entrance. Even this is beautiful here, but let's see. So this house receives us to a very nice open space with huge windows, and it's just wonderful to be here enjoying already the sun and the views to a beautiful garden with a private pool. But now let's break down all the spaces that we have here. The entrance really nice and spacious. So let's start by the dining area with very nice design, and all of this space we have to enjoy. We have a big couch that we fit in here, and from all of the spaces of this house we enjoy this beautiful view and the sun, of course. In this villa we have a special feature which is not very common nowadays, and it's heated floors throughout the whole villa, and it's a water heating system. Here we have this beautiful kitchen, really comfortable with plenty of space to cook, and also we can still communicate with the family. And of course everything here is custom made, so all appliances and all you see here, it's included as well. Now let's continue. Here we have the first bathroom, and it has a lot of storage as well, as it's under the staircase. But now let's see the first bedroom. This space is really nice. Of course, very unique design here with the golden needle. In the whole house we also have central heating and cooling system. And here a big wardrobe. Again, we have a lot of natural light coming from windows in this house, and here is the ensuite bathroom. And now let's get to the upstairs, and I'm gonna show you the two bedrooms that we have here, but behind me you will see after a very beautiful and spacious terrace. Let's start here. We have this bedroom. It's like now assembled like an office, and we still have this big window, not only a window but actually a door, which allows a lot of natural light. And here is this big spacious bedroom with a huge wardrobe, which for me it's a very nice feature. And here we have also the direct access to this big and nice sunny terrace. Here also we have this big wardrobe for extra storage, and now let's use this door to get to this beautiful space. Take a look how much space we have, how much sun we can enjoy. And it's very important to note that in this space you actually could build another bedroom. Some neighbors, like that one, did that, and it's totally accepted by the community, and you can legalize it with an architect. This house is perfect for families who want to live in the Costa Blanca the whole year, because not only the house offers very nice spaces, outside private spaces, and here to enjoy the sun, the pool, and you can also watch your kids playing. You can enjoy this by yourself and friends. You can arrange a lot of things here, so it's a house for comfort, and it has still a lot of potential for your imagination, so you can adapt it to your own lifestyle. But the main thing here, and this is something you cannot change, it's the location. In this house the location is key, and it's perfect. We have very good schools in the area. It's a very well established neighborhood, and we have supermarkets, not only private schools, we have everything around here. One of the best restaurants of the area is located in here as well, and still we have just a couple of minutes drive to the best beach of the area, which is the beach in Guardamar. not only the beach, but as well we have very beautiful two lakes in this area. We have the Pink Lake in Torrevieja and the one that is closest to this villa, which is the lagoon in the park of La Mata. It's a wonderful villa in an excellent location, and it's in a very good condition because this villa was built in the 2015, so it's really nice. The area is incomparable, and you are getting all of this beauty for 459,000 euros. If you need any more information about this villa, you can always contact me because my details will be, as always, on the screen. And I encourage you to give a like to this video, subscribe to Alicante Real Estate, and also to my working Instagram account will be linked down there. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.